Is there a way to use phantoms in Python? I want to use phantoms in Python. I googled this problem, but couldn't find proper solutions. I find os.popen may be a good choice. But I couldn't pass some arguments to it. Using subprocess.popen may be a proper solution for now. I want to know whether there's a better solution or not. Is there a way to use phantoms in Python?
PhantomJS recently dropped Python support altogether. However, PhantomJS now embeds Ghost Driver. A new project has since stepped up to fill the void, Ghost PY. You probably want to use that instead.
Here's how I test JavaScript using Phantoms and Dango. Mobile, test_no_js_errors.js. Mobile, tests.py. Run tests. Manage.py test mobile.
The easiest way to use PhantomJS in Python is via Selenium. The simplest installation method is install Node.js. Using Node's package manager, install PhantomJS, npm g install PhantomJS prebuilt. Install Selenium in your virtual env if you are using that. After installation, you may use Phantom as simple as if your system path environment variable isn't set correctly, you'll need to specify the exact path as an argument to WebDriver.PhantomJS. Replace this with the following. References. This URL. How do I set a proxy for PhantomJS/GhostDriver in Python WebDriver? This URL.
Now, since the Ghost Driver comes bundled with the Phantoms, it has become even more convenient to use it through Selenium. I tried the node installation of Phantoms, as suggested by Pykala, but in practice I found it to be slower than the standalone installation of Phantoms. I guess standalone installation didn't provided these features earlier, but as of version 1.9, it very much does so. Install Phantoms. This URL. If you are on Linux, following instructions will help. This URL. Install Selenium using pip. Now you can use like this.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.